Look who's back.
What's good? What's good?
After 6 months.
Yeah,
it's the vlog.
6 months. 6 months. Hey, see my beauty, my baby.
Yeah, we about to install his new exhaust.
Gotta install
First
some
day
fat
back.
ass pipes. My baby.
Is it just the tips or is it the whole exhaust setup?
It's the whole setup.
Oh shit. Okay.
Whole cat back.
Clear it for Andrew Subi.
Where's the camera?
Go ahead. Second stall.
Rip my tranny.
Third time's a charm.
I don't get it.
How's it feel to be back?
Feels weird. I forgot where everything was when I came back. I was like, well, but nobody asked me. I'm just kidding. He just asked me right now.
All right, hey, start the car and show us how it sounds stock right now. Yeah. Go ahead. Here's the setup before it goes on.
Yeah, I want to see the difference with the stock pipes to these.
Yeah.
See how big difference.
This is basically gonna be open headers.
Let me have your stock pipe.
Look at that. You just saw from here. It's fucking small.
Yeah, that's like 2 inch to 1.5.
Andrew, let me have your stock pipes.
For what?
For my...
I'll give you some pipe.
Alright. Right now?
Yes.
Wow. I'm wet.
You know
Yeah, he got the VIP pillow with the cum stains and everything. I need that. I need that. Shit. Oh shit. What the fuck is that?
Wow.
Where's it going?
Just tell me how much you cost so I can send
Wow.
Yeah, for tap wireless, man.
Wow, 3 Subis. What's up, dude?
Yeah, just when you guys for Vic Soc. We're changing. Oh dang it! I didn't finish my. Oh my god!
Is it on the car?
Okay. Should be good now.
That's dope in video.
Oh, you motherfucker!
Don't start it yet. I know. I'm letting your
What happened?
prime.
Damn, that looks sick.
Hey,
Shut up.
hey! Don't tell me to shut up.
Shit.
Dude, that sounds so good.
How do you feel?
Holy fuck.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Bro, like, that shit's crazy. I can't even explain it.
It's not fair. I'm left. I'm not. Wait, aren't you?
I'm right-handed.
You're left-handed.
I would have knocked you out with my left anyways.
Oh shit! All right, go. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Remember the times we had.
You're not even hitting right.
Boom! Andrew be jiggling though. Andrew do be jiggling. Andrew's dick be... I'll send you the video. I slapped his ass when he was about to shower and that shit just went...
Take away.
Damn, that shit jiggle. Hold up, my mans. Fuck off.
Remember!
Remember Accra? This man's buff now.
Switch the camera? Fuck it.
Cause you were pretty. Oh shit!
Fuck. Now we're giving Marianne's car a wash.
What? Stop! It's not what it looks like.
Kiss my boyfriend?
Do it! I'm waiting.
I can't do that for the camera.
He's waiting.
Yeah, you can't do it in front of the camera.
What'd y'all get?
We got oil filter clamps, an Allen wrench, and some brake cleaner,
And we got hella ass.
and hella cock.
Man got it out for you.
You got it out?
Yeah.
You're kidding.
Which one
How'd you do it?
This one wouldn't work. Maybe.
Maybe it would have.
Because yours is
They
a
didn't-
little lower than mine.
They didn't have the claw. It was too small for that one. Oh no, actually too big.
That's why. You got brake cleaner, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that'll help. That like cleans everything up.
You didn't get the lyrics right. Oh my god. You're a loud boy now.
Yes, sir. Not as big.
Hey, just remember this is a result of your hard work.
Now you need an HKS flow valve.
I remember that. Remember, Andrew, you worked hard for this. You deserved it. Yeah, you deserve it.
Come though, more parts and content.
Yep. Wow, look at these lovebirds. Show his titty. Show his titty. Show his titty.
Nip slip, no.
Show his titty.
Oh, hell no.
Oh! He's got driver's mode! Driver's mode!
He watched YouTube at BMT.
Hey, he's faster than me.
It brings out the full potential. Well, not full, but
With the downpipe.
Smoke for that downpipe, dog.
and
That
two.
should be 30.
Ready?
Second versus first.
I know we got hella weight on her now.
Oh, fuck! Dude, that was clean. What the fuck? Who the fuck is this guy? Whoa, what the fuck? Yo, this guy just went ultra instinct. Whoa.
I think the
Four,
STI is
three.
like STI.
No, I'm not talking about the car. I'm talking about the driver. Oh, who's faster?
Sorry.
Fuck.
Swerving.
All right, we're over here for some pictures.
Isn't show to next weekend?
Stage 3 clutch with lightweight
Stage
flywheel.
Fuck.
And you're gonna teach me how to drive this car.
Oh yeah.
Parking lot.
Hey, we're here, Marianne. You wanted to learn how to drive stick? Mine.
I don't know, man. I'm kind of
Hey,
scared.
this is where I learned.
Clutch is fucked already anyway.
This is where I learned to drive stick it. Everyone's is.
Go! Stop being a fucking little. Oh!
If my arm was like
Hit me, go, hit me.
Go.
you have to do something to me.
Just punch him, Dana. Oh! Oh!
That's a killer. I'm not gonna hit you.
No, you're not supposed to hit me.
Well, come at me then.
Well, I'm trying.
Punch me.
She just wanted to touch your face.
I know I did. I don't want to fuck him up.
She went the other way. She's trying to go for my full face.
Go, baby.
Oh! Again.
Babe, if I smack you hard, I'm sorry.
Okay, it's okay, but don't try me that hard.
Oh, she a trooper. Rush him, Dana. Rush him. Rush him. Rush him.
Punch me, babe.
Oh! Oh!
Hit him with
Cover your ears.
You want to
I want him in the neck.
That hurt. You're not getting a second one.
I thought she was about to hit me.
Alright, guys, we're ending the vlog here.
Is that the same guy who snaked you?
Andrew.
Bye.
Hey, this vlog is for you.
Snake.
Oh yeah, let me do an about face.
Alright, guys. End the vlog, Andrew. End the vlog, Andrew.
Damn, right? So much pressure.
Yeah, end it, babe. End it.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the content, please like and subscribe. Please leave comments. And we'll see you guys next time. We're out!